Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Gardening Paradise. Gardening is my favorite time pass and I love to take care of my garden. I have made a small garden in front of my house. There was a vacant land in front of my house, my siblings, and I chose to convert this land into the beautiful garden. Gardening is a good hobby. My garden is my favorite area of my house. My grandfather loves gardening, so he taught me how to water plants daily. My favorite flowers are roses and lily. I love the fragrance of these fresh flowers, the sight of butterflies hovering upon these beautiful flowers is amazing. I consider these flowers to be my best friend and I have to sit in the company of these flowers in my garden. I feel so fresh when I see my blooming garden. My house looks more beautiful because of this garden in front. And having a garden has not only freshened the environment of our house, but it has also provide a natural habitat to various birds. I have grown many plants in my garden. When I plant vegetables and flowers, I feel that I have brought something to life and it feels really great. After planting, I pay special attention of my garden. I make sure to remove the weeds, remove dead leaves around plants and water my garden more often. My mother also grows tomatoes and some seasonal vegetables on the sides of garden. They taste fresh and tasty. There is also a variety of aromatic herbs like mint, coriander, and uh, aloe vera on one side of garden. It because of my mother's effort that no matter how warm the temperature is, my garden always has a burst of cool air. This is because the trees and plants in my garden. Thanks for watching.